Hey, what's up everyone? This is Silver Slayer. Thank you for tuning into this video. Silver skyrockets up higher, all precious metals from gold to palladium in the green. Right now we see gold at $1,753, silver $16.80, approaching that $17 range, platinum at $802, and palladium at $1,953. Every single precious metal is in the green, with silver starting to outperform gold as the gold to silver ratio lowers, which is good news. Very, very, very bullish prices. People are starting to see silver as a monetary metal again, and I think its part is in due justice. So with that said, if you enjoy silver, if you are bullish on silver, make sure to smash that like button. Let's see if this video can get 150 likes. Everyone go like the video right now. Thank you so much for tuning in. Let's jump into the article. Gold and silver prices are up in early U.S. trading Friday, with silver posting strong gains. Strong haven demand or safe haven demand is back in the precious metals this week as global stock markets and trader/investor sentiment have become more tentative this week. The silver bulls have came roaring to life this week as prices in Friday hit 2-month highs, and for the week have gained around $1 from last Friday's close. June gold futures were last up $4.90 an ounce at $1,746. July COMEX silver prices were last up 60 cents at $16.77 an ounce. There is important U.S. economic data due out Friday morning that further reflects that serious damage being inflicted upon the world's largest economy. The just released April retail sales report came in down 16.4% versus expectations of down around 12%. The gold market popped to daily highs on the worse than expected sales number. Other data out today include the U.S. industrial production for April, the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Survey, the Empire State Manufacturing Survey, manufacturing and trade inventories, and the Treasury International Capital data. Global stock markets were mostly firmer in overnight trading. U.S. stock indexes are pointed toward lower openings when the New York day session begins. Many traders and investors are wondering how the U.S. stock market has rebounded so strongly, with that 36 million American workers losing their jobs in just 2 months' time and a vast number of businesses and commerce still shuttered. A lot of people are wondering this, right? How could stocks be doing so well if the economy is in such bad shape? Big shot investment managers have gone on TV this week to say U.S. stock market is presently the most overvalued they've ever seen it. However, these guys are likely just talking their own book. Still, the general public is taking a dim view of Wall Street recovering smartly, while Main Street continues to see major suffering. There are growing tensions as workers in the lower halves of the nation's income levels, who have seen the most job losses and who have the least amount of money saved, desperately need to get back to work. But many governments won't let them. This situation cannot go on for an extended period of time without civil unrest, which is already being seen in a few areas. The growing unease has likely helped gold get a better safe haven bid recently, which is definitely true, right? There's times like this where things are just so chaotic, stress levels are higher. I understand it, I get it, right? Everyone has their own situations, their own issues, and it's going to weigh on people's perceptions, their perspectives, their opinions, how they invest, their actions, right? And sometimes, I always mention this, sometimes the safest, smartest thing to do is to hold. You don't always need to be buying, selling, or trading. Sometimes just holding off is the smartest option. Wait for the markets to blow over. Right now, looks like silver is going up. A lot of people are going to probably be selling their gold, cashing out, and that doesn't mean you have to as well. There's a good chance gold's going to go higher. More than likely, markets will correct within the next couple of days as people do sell the tops. You're supposed to buy the dips and sell the tops. A lot of people will probably be doing that, so a small dip, a small correction is natural. Do not start panic selling. Don't start freaking out thinking silver's going back down. It's natural. It's healthy for the market to do that. It's actually good for the market to do that. So anyways, in overnight news, the Eurozone first quarter gross domestic product came in at negative 3.8% from the fourth quarter and down 3.2% year on year. Economic data released in China Friday was somewhat upbeat, showing that the world's second largest economy is recovering from the first quarter quarantining of the public. However, a worrisome component of the data was the retail sales that fell 7.5% in April, suggesting consumers, while back to work, are still leery about spending. The important outside markets see NYMEX crude oil futures higher early today and trading around $28 a barrel. The recent rally in the crude oil markets has been a bullish element for stock market rallies. The U.S. dollar index is lower today. The yield on the benchmark U.S. Treasury 10-year note is currently around 0.62%. So, Powell closes the door negative rates, but gold opens a window. Silver finally decides to join the gold party. The biggest bad news out there: gold eyes U.S.-China trade tensions next week. So that's some of the stuff. Let's see what else. Okay, anyways, gold has attained a $50 of the $28 minimum we are looking for on 5/15. Breaking news: gold prices lose some altitude in late morning trading Friday as short-term futures traders book some profits heading into the weekend. Still, gold bulls have a good week. So that's some of their tweets. If you wanted to check out Kitco News Now, is their Twitter. So now let's jump into the analytical charts. You can see that silver is actually the one outperforming gold a little bit. Technically, the gold bulls have the solid overall near-term technical advantage amid an uptrend on the daily bar chart. Bulls' next upside price objective is to produce a close in June futures above solid resistance at the April high of $1,788. Bears' next near-term downside price objective is pushing futures prices below solid technical support at $1,666. First resistance is seen at the overnight high of $1,748 and then $1,764. First support is seen at $1,735 and then at $1,725. And I'm interested to see where gold's going to be headed, because we talk about silver rising and silver as potential. Gold does as well. Gold is also seen as a safe haven, but I am curious to see where these markets are going to go. Because silver has to outperform gold, I definitely see silver rising more rapidly than gold does. That's why silver has more potential. There's more potential to make money in the silver markets compared to gold, where gold could break above the $1,775 resistance level that it needs to go above, and the sky could be the limit. We could see $2,000 gold. But I am curious to see where silver is going to take part, because if the gold to silver ratio is going to lower, then silver has to jump even higher than that of gold in percentage basis. So it's going to be interesting times. July silver futures bulls have the firm overall near-term technical advantage with this week's big gains. Silver bulls' next upside price objective is closing prices above solid technical resistance at $17.50 an ounce. The next downside price breakout objective for the bears is closing prices below solid support at $15.50. First resistance is seen at $16.75 and then $17. Next support is seen at $16.50 and then $16.25. So there you have it. We see the support and resistance levels, and by the way, if you don't know, a resistance level is what it's trying to break above. So resistance level right now is $17.50, so that's the top that it has to break above, which could be extremely bullish if it does. And then the support level is what it cannot go beneath. So if it's saying the support level is $15.50, we do not want silver to go below that $15.50 level, but it's $1.05 higher than that. So it's definitely relaxed, it's comfortable above the support line. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm curious where you think the gold to silver ratio is going to go. Right now, as we speak, it's 105 to 1, which is definitely down a few points from the 113 it was. 113 to 1 it was a couple days ago, meaning it takes 113 ounces of silver to equal 1 ounce of gold. We haven't saw ratios this high in 5,000 years. That means that silver is the cheapest, the most undervalued it's ever been. And that also is very, very bullish, as prices more than likely will will rise, and as gold either going to depreciate or silver is going to appreciate, more than likely it's going to be silver appreciating up to gold and then surpassing it as the gold to silver ratio corrects back down to more normal, more equal levels. So I am curious though what your perspective is on this. What do you take out of this? Do you think that silver is finally hit the bottom, and do you think we're going to start seeing that $50 silver like we saw in 2008, which led to the $50 silver in 2011? Same type of situation is happening, but we are in more severe, more extreme times, so we could even see more severe, more extreme prices. Anyways, I'm going to wrap this video up here. If you thought this video was educational, informational, or at least just entertaining, make sure to smash that like button. Also subscribe, because I post daily videos every single day. I'm giving you the newest, latest, freshest information. If you want to know more about what silver prices are doing right now, go check out the video I posted earlier today. I definitely think you would like that. It's a banger. So anyways, thanks for tuning in. This was Silver Slayer. I'll see you guys soon. Peace.